Mini quiz can or may. Choose the correct word can or may. Number 1, blank, I borrow your notebook, please. Answer, may I borrow your notebook, please? Number 2, you blank go home after the bell rings. Answer, you may go home after the bell rings. Number 3, she blank speak 3 languages. Answer, she can speak 3 languages. Number 4, blank, we eat our snacks now. Teacher, answer, may we eat our snacks now, teacher? Number 5, it blank rain later, so bring an umbrella. Answer, it can rain later, so bring an umbrella. Number 6, he blank jump very high. Answer, he can jump very high. Number 7, blank, I sit beside you. Answer, may I sit beside you? Number 8, you blank start the activity now. Answer, you may start the activity now.